Sachin Waze, owner of just one car but master of a fleet. I say this because cars seem to be an inseparable component of Waze's alleged role in the Antillia bomb scare and the subsequent Mansukh Hiren death case. The National Investigation Agency has so far seized as many as 7 cars used by Sachin Waze in relation to both the cases. The role of cars is so integral to the whole episode that the entire story can be told through them. You're watching TV9 Digital. I am Adarsh Vepachedu. Let's start with the only car owned by Sachin Waze, a white Mitsubishi Outlander. This car that was recently retrieved is registered in Waze's name. So far, there is no confirmed link between this car and the Antillia bomb scare or the Mansukh Hiren death case. Next up, a green Mahindra Scorpio. This was the car which was rigged with gelatin sticks and left near Mukesh Ambani's residence Antillia. The NIA has revealed that it was Sachin Waze's personal driver who drove the car to park it near Antillia. Sachin Waze borrowed the Scorpio from Mansukh Hiren for a period of 6 months. Hiren reported it stolen on the 17th of February. Let's now talk about the white Toyota Innova. This car was used by Waze, who tailed the explosive-laden green Mahindra Scorpio while it was getting parked near Antillia. Waze's personal driver, who drove the Scorpio and parked it near Antillia, got off the car and sat in the Innova, which was being driven by Waze himself. The white Toyota Innova made a second appearance when it re-entered Mumbai, this time with a different number plate, and reached Ambani's residence again. This time, Waze in a kurta got off the Innova and placed the threat letter. Waze was arrested on the 13th of March in connection with the recovery of this very vehicle. Eventually, the car was recovered from former Mumbai Police Commissioner Parambir Singh's office. The car belongs to the Crime Intelligence Unit or CIU of the Mumbai Police and was being used by Waze. Another crucial car implicating Sachin Waze is the black Mercedes-Benz GLC, which was seized near the Crawford Market in Mumbai, fairly close to the Mumbai Crime Branch office. From this car, more than 5 lakh rupees cash, clothes and a counting machine were recovered. Reportedly, Sachin Waze was spotted outside the car in a loose-fitting kurta resembling a PPE kit. The kurta was reportedly burnt using the fuel kept in this car. A number plate identical to the one which was on the Scorpio car laden with gelatin sticks was also recovered from the Mercedes car. It is also being said that this car was used to pick up Mansukh Hiren on the 17th of February. Saransh Bhavsar, the previous owner of the car, said he did not know Waze. He said he purchased the Mercedes car from a showroom in Pune in November 2019 and sold it to an online car trading website, Cars24. A mysterious black Mercedes-Benz ML Class car was also recovered from Sachin Waze's residential complex in Thane along with a Toyota Land Cruiser Prado. We do not have enough information on how this car is related to either of the cases. Now, let's talk about the white Toyota Land Cruiser Prado recovered outside Waze's residence. This car was allegedly used to carry the gelatin sticks after they were initially procured. In another instance, Sachin Waze was seen arriving at the crime branch unit in this very car along with Mansukh Hiren. The car was also spotted on Trident Hotel CCTV, where Waze stayed and allegedly plotted the Antillia episode. Waze reportedly reached Trident in an Innova but left in the Toyota Land Cruiser Prado. Interestingly, the car bearing registration number MH02CC101 is registered in Borivali in Mumbai, and as per official records, its owner is Shiv Sena leader Vijay Kumar Ganpat Bhosle. Next, we have the blue Volvo XC90. It was the Maharashtra ATS that was earlier probing the death of Mansukh Hiren that had traced this car to a factory in Daman but with a Maharashtra number plate. The vehicle is suspected to be of a business partner of Waze identified as Ashish Nath, who has also been arrested. However, after the seizure of this car, NIA said Abhishek Nathani, alias Abhishek Agarwal, is allegedly the owner of the blue Volvo car. Reportedly, a blue and black colored bag was recovered by the ATS from the car, from which a couple of clothes and chargers have been seized. Lastly, a black Audi A8 that investigating officers are yet to trace. CCTV footage from March 2nd showed Sachin Vaze and accused in the Mansukh Hiren death case, suspended constable Vinayak Shinde, passing through the Bandra-Worli Sea-Link toll gate in this very car. This happened just 3 days before Mansukh Hiren's body was found in a Thane creek. This car was earlier spotted at Mumbai Police Commissioner's office. Now, all 6 cars that have been recovered so far have been sent to the Kalina Forensic Lab in Mumbai for testing. NIA sleuths are on the lookout for the missing black Audi A8 and 2 more cars, a Skoda and an Outlander, suspected to be used by Vaze. It is being reported that Mansukh Hiren was killed in a car that is yet to be traced. All the cars point towards Sachin Vaze's alleged modus operandi to outwit and deceive the investigators of the Mansukh Hiren death case and the Antilia episode. If you've liked the information that I've shared with you, make sure you like and share this video. And yes, subscribe to TV9 News on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Until next time.